Hey, welcome to Tabletop Skirmish Games and part 10 of our How to Play Warcry series. I'm Lee, and in this video we'll be going through the Disengage and Wait actions. Now we've gone through all our movement actions and attack actions, there are just two more actions that we need to look at. These are the Disengage actions and the Wait actions. Let's cover Disengage actions first. If a fighter is within 1 inch of an enemy fighter, they can make a Disengage action to move away. When a fighter makes a Disengage action, that fighter can make a normal move up to 3 inches in any direction, but must finish the action more than 1 inch away from any enemy fighters. If this is impossible, the fighter cannot use the Disengage action and must use another action instead. A Disengage action can seem quite similar to a move action, so let's just go through the difference between a Disengage action and a move action. Although the position of a fighter changes as part of a Disengage action, it is not considered to be a move action in any way. This means any abilities or rules that interact specifically with move actions do not interact with Disengage actions. In addition, a fighter cannot jump, climb, or fly as part of a Disengage action. Now we'll move on to Wait actions. A Wait action can be used in two ways. If a fighter makes the Wait action as their last action in their activation ends. The Wait action is used in this manner simply when the fighter has nothing else to do. For example, if they are not in range to attack and do not wish to move. Alternatively, if a fighter uses the Wait action as their first action in their activation, the fighter is said to be waiting. Place a wait token by the fighter to indicate it is waiting. If a fighter makes a Wait action in this manner, the activation ends, but that fighter can be activated once more later in that combat phase. When the fighter is activated for the second time, they can only make one action in that activation. Wait actions give us a little bit of flexibility with abilities, so let's take a look at that now. If a fighter activates for a second time in the combat phase as a result of a Wait action, they can use one ability in their second activation even if an ability was used the first time they activated. In addition, when activating for the second time, that one ability can be used by the fighter either before their action or after their action. When a rule or ability refers to this fighter's activation, it means the fighter's current activation. So that's everything we need to know about Disengage actions and Wait actions. Come and join me for the next part in our How to Play Warcry series, which is part 11, where we'll go through the terrain. I hope you found this video helpful. Please join in and comment below with any thoughts or additions you'd like to make. It'd be great to hear from you. The next video in the series will play right after this one in the playlist, and I'll also put links in the description below to every video in the series. Thanks so much for watching. Please like if you like it, subscribe for more Warcry content like this, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to join me next time on Tabletop Skirmish Games.